Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long, but I messed up again at the gym. Just really high quality woman that I tried to start a conversation with, and it went absolutely terrible. My full autism kicked in, and just lost the ability to speak pretty much at the start of the conversation. Got super weak, lost all my masculine frame, whatever you want to call it, and got super nervous, but she was that beautiful, and I think it even freaked her out a bit. That's the sad part. Count it as another L. It was one of the worst interactions. And the funny thing is that I think I had a pretty good interaction just minutes ago, that day, the same day at the gym, with another woman. I think she was actually, she said that she was married, but that's it, guys. See you.